Oh, no, 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 no. You're asking too many questions and minding my business. Don't do that. Comment, like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell, that bell, that bell. I cannot stand when people are asking me 101 questions minding my business. I am someone, if I do not come and tell you my business, do not ask me anything. Even when I do tell you my business, the next time when you see me, don't come asking me anything, because had I want you to know, I'd come tell you myself. Like, I'm a very private person. I don't like people in my business. I personally don't think the next person do not owe the next person anything. Like, I tell my friends all the time, like, listen, just because we are friends, do not feel the need to know everything that's going on in my life. Just like I do not need to know everything that's going on in your life, because at the end of the day, your life is your life to live. I'm your friend. I'm here for you to support you, but I can never live your life just like you can never live my life. So what is the point in giving you every little details? Like, I honestly don't like telling people my business and then I hear, that couldn't be me. You're right, it couldn't be me, because you're in a much worse situation than I am. Focus on that. Leave me alone. Or I hate when I tell people my business and I be trying to forget, and then they want to remind me about my business. Like, who are you to remind me about my business that I forgot about? Ugh. Like, I don't like it. Please, 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 never ask me my business unless I tell you. No, don't ask me my business. Let me come and tell you my business. Because, like, if I'm truly and really comfortable with you, I don't shut up. I don't. I'm always going. I'm going. Well, not with my business, but if I am truly comfortable with you and I feel like I can open up to you, I'll come tell you my business. And then if I feel the need that you got to be updated and be kept posted, I'll tell you more. But then there's just sometimes that I don't want to talk about anything. It's my life. I don't have to tell you my business. What? First of all, are you the police? Why are you questioning me? I don't owe you anything, so why am I being 21 questioned? I hate it. I hate when people start minding my business and start asking, because it's not that people are asking to be concerned, it's that people are nosy. And the worst thing is, the ones that's being super duper nosy, they're not giving you anything about them. They're not giving you anything. So why are you gonna come around sticking your nose in my business? Like, I can't stand it. I can't stand nosy people. Like, when my friends start asking me one too many questions, I shut it down. I'm like, mind your business. You're being nosy. No, you're being nosy. You are. Because why are you asking questions that you don't know the answer to? Because had I want you to know, you would have known. Okay? But yes, no, I get real uptight. I get really annoyed when people start asking me one too many questions, because I feel like, woo, wait a minute. Did I commit a crime? Did I commit a crime? And did I commit that crime to you? No, I'm not commit no crime. So I don't know what I'm answering all these questions for. Um, guys, look at me doing a video and posting it on time. Y'all proud of me? I'm proud of me. I'm gonna pat myself on the back. But guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Until next time. Oh, and don't forget to hit that bell. That bell. That bell. That what? Hit that bell. That bell. That bell, so you can get my notifications. Guys, I can finally sing this because I posted it on time. Ready? Hey, it's Friday. Happy Friday. Fuck it up. It's Friday. Happy Friday. Hey. Have a great weekend, everyone. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Until next time.